Hi all, welcome to another new series of Learning Excel from beginner to the advanced level series. So today we are going to learn about the advanced filters. So basically advanced filter is something wherein you will try to match certain criteria. But before getting into this video, I would request you all to stay connected till the end of the video. So I'll be giving you a pro tip and also I would be sharing a practice file with you all. But before we start, I would like to request you all to click on a subscribe button and then click on a notification bar so that you would be the first person to receive all the latest videos that I upload. So coming back to the screen, here you are able to see the data, right? So I want this data to be represented here, but with the given criteria like region should be west or midwest, and product should be tubular or quad, and unit should be greater than 10. So with this criteria, I'm going to fill the details here. So for that, what I need to do is like first I'll be selecting this data from A to E till the end where I can find the this data ending, right? So here if you see uh, column E 10,001 is the ending of this data. So I have selected till there and I'm going to click on the data under the data tab. In the ribbon called sorted filter, you will be finding advanced. So if you click on the advanced, first criteria we have selected, that is less range. And now coming to the second criteria, this is the criteria, right? So for this, what we are going to do is we will click here and select this range. Once you select that, uh, click here and copy the cells too. So where you want to copy them here. So this area has been selected. Now click on OK. But after clicking OK here, if we see there are a couple of duplications as well. For example, I will apply the filters over here and I'll show to you. Okay, Control Shift L. Okay, I'll filter it with this. Sort by A to Z. So here if you see like this one is a repeated data and this is also a repeated data. Let me highlight it with the colors. So this is a repeated one. And at the same time we do have a couple of repetitions here. For example, so now we can see like these all are the duplicated data. So this is a set of 1, set of 2, set of 3, set of 4, set of 5 and set of 6. So there are 6 values that have been repeated and it's displaying as a count of 12. So now I don't want this one to be appearing. So what I do, I'll go to the data again, click on advanced filter, this one. I want to select this. Again, I'll be selecting this range from A to E. Done. After I select this, I come here and I select this drop box, click box, sorry, called unique records only. Once I check on this click box and I do this, ta-da! We got all the unique values here and it's displaying here. And if you see here, we do have a 6 blanks total. So this is how we perform advanced Excel filter. But always remember to select this unique records only so that you doesn't find any kind of duplications. I hope you people like this video, and if you really like this video, click on the subscribe button and click on notification bar as well, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Now coming to the pro tip. So whenever you are applying for any kind of formula on an Excel, do not forget to freeze the cells which are mandatory to be applied for all the cells. For example, if we see here, when I click on advanced Excel, so here you can see the dollar symbol, right? So this means it's freezing the cell reference which we are taking from. Here all you can see these dollar symbol represents like it is freezing the cell references to understand the criteria. So that's it guys.